Okay, so an seo tá na focail le ó fada. So tá óg, có, fra, f, ón, br, ón, p, óg, bro, ga. Okay? So cuir na litir le chéile, agus scríb sé isteach sa cópláir, so C iver hain, so C iver hain, so tóg. Okay? Agus D then, so scríb ceir focail ón lista leis na litricha seo. So na focail ón lista seo nó beidir ón pictiúr den na né, scríb na litir, sorry, na focail ón na litricha seo. So for example, an bhfuil tóg isteach sa litricha. So T, ó fada, G, okay? So tóg, right? Tóg, so tá tóg an seo agus tá tóg an seo. So T, ó fada, G. Perfect. So na ceir focail an sin ón lista seo. Okay, agus an seo E, so iver hain cén F atá sa scoil. So cad é sin? Cad é sin? Okay, so F, ó fada, sin an litir, agus N, right? So phone, okay? So scríb sé isteach. So cén F atá sa scoil? F phone, right? So big sibh ábhata just the an focail scríb. So you don't have to write the whole sentence, just the word for E, right? So for E, just the word, okay? You don't have to write the full sentence. Agus an seo, so scríb an focail ceart faoin pictiúr. Okay, so big shin on Class Dojo. So you should all know how to do this by now. It's very easy. So this will be on Class Dojo. You'll have no problem doing it. Okay, always on show. So be with déanamh an na focail agus na fumana bhain le Gaeilge. So we were doing the words and the sounds that are associated with Irish. So we're going to move on from that a small bit and start doing a bit more grammar as well, okay? So we've started doing our sounds. We're going to continue with that, but along with that, we're going to be doing our grammar as well, alright? So just so that we'll be able to, when we come back to school, we'll be able to use the verbs that we've learned and be able to read more because we know our sounds now, and then we'll be able to start speaking Irish more, right? So our goal this year is to speak more Irish and be able to speak a few sentences as Gaeilge le comport, so with comfort, right? So an seo tá an focail glán, okay? Agus an seo tá cuir. So glán sin glán, so clean, agus cuir is put, okay? So what we do when we put, so glán means clean, and glán, so with a H in it, means cleaned, okay? So when it's on its own, like our dún agus gún, so we know dún means to close, and we know gún me means I closed. So this one means, so glán me means I cleaned. Okay? Do you all understand that? So I cleaned. So what will glán tú be? Be you cleaned. Glán sé, he cleaned. Glán she cleaned. Glánamar, okay? So glánamar, what's that? We cleaned, alright? We cleaned. Glán siv is ye or you cleaned. And glán siad. So glán siad is they cleaned, alright? And then we have their dúteach. So near glán me, right? So I didn't clean. And then our question is glán tú. So did you clean? And if we didn't, we'd say near glán me. And if we did clean, we'd say glán me. Okay? Because we know we just say that one, don't we? Okay, perfect. So we're going to get back into this. So we've glán now. And now we have cuir over here. Okay, so the exact same method. We have me, tú, she, she. So all we're changing is our verb, okay? So cuir is I put. So cuir me is I put. Cuir tú is you put. Cuir sé is he put. Cuir she is she put. Cuir amar is we put. Cuir siv is ye put. Agus cuir siad is they put. Okay? Our kesh then is where to did you put, right? Then our diúltach is near where me, right? So I didn't put. So near where me. Agus an seo, we've to scríb na habertí I gceart. So tá na focail an seo. So an seo tá na habertí. So we're going to have to put them into our sentences, alright? So we know that if we have, for example, glán and siad, what does that change to? Glán siad, isn't it? So it changes to glán siad, alright? So glán siad. So we know that we have to add in a H to glán. Okay, so we put it down here. So we put glán, right? Okay, so glán siad an carne. So we're going to scríb na habertí in the cópláir. So into your copies, we're going to scríb na habertí and we're going to fill in the correct one, right? So where mo. So we know mo was who. So where mo drehar. So drehar's brother. So whose brother? Mo brother. So my brother, right? So near me machus. So me. Glán shin. What's shin again? Shin was what? We, wasn't it? So that's a mer, right? So we have to write the whole word there. Glán a mer. What about queer? Shin. Okay, shin. What was that again? We, right? So if you go back here, we can see here, glán a mer is here, and chuir a mer is here, right? So that should be no problem for you. Okay, and then we have to do the rest of them. So near glán. Cillian. Cillian is a what? Is it a boy or a girl's name? It's a boy's name. So is it going to be she or she? It's going to be she, won't it? So she is glán she, right? So glán Cillian. So glán Cillian on Turlor. Vrish. How would we make vrish again? Vrish mo drehar. Or sorry, drefor, sorry, my sister. So what do we do with vrish again? We were talking about a girl. What do we add on to vrish? B-H, isn't it? B-H. So it's B-H-R-I-S. So if we add on the H after the very first letter, what do we do with gyar then? So gyar me. So it's me. So it's me. So what do we add on to gyar after the first letter, do we think? H, isn't it? So it's gyar me my love. So that means I cut my hand yesterday, right? So if you've any questions, please contact me in Class Dojo, because it's our first time doing something like this in a long time. If you're a little bit confused, that's alright. I'll try to do more of it on the Zoom tomorrow, okay? So we'll go over it again. Right, is that okay with everyone? Okay, any problems, contact me in Class Dojo, right?